In this video, we'll be covering the cost per impression model, commonly known as CPM. If your goal is visibility, brand awareness, or reach, CPM campaigns are the foundation you need to understand. The core objective of cost per impression campaigns is to maximize visibility and brand awareness by showing your ad to as many people as possible. Rather than focusing on immediate clicks or conversions, CPM campaigns are designed to build recognition, generate interest, and keep your brand top of mind among a broad or targeted audience. This makes them especially effective at the top of the marketing funnel, where the goal is to introduce your brand or message to potential customers at scale. CPM is important for sustainable growth because it helps your brand stay visible and familiar to a large audience over time. By showing your ads to more people regularly, you build trust and keep your brand in their minds, which makes them more likely to take action later. It supports the first stage of the marketing funnel by bringing in new potential customers, and also makes your other campaigns, like those focused on clicks or sales, more effective. This ongoing visibility helps create a strong, steady path for long-term business growth. While running CPM campaigns, you may face several challenges that can impact effectiveness and ROI. Low engagement. Since CPM charges per impression, you might end up paying for views without clicks or meaningful user actions. Poor targeting. Broad or untuned targeting can lead to wasted impressions on uninterested audiences, reducing campaign impact. Ad fatigue. Showing the same creative too often can lead to users ignoring your ads, lowering overall effectiveness. Viewability issues. Not all impressions are actually seen, some may appear below the fold or on low-quality inventory, diminishing real exposure. Measuring ROI. Because CPM focuses on visibility, it can be harder to track direct returns like leads or conversions without additional tracking layers. Ad blockers and banner blindness. Users increasingly use ad blockers or mentally skip over banner ads, reducing CPM ad visibility. To overcome the challenges of CPM campaigns, it's essential to go beyond just impressions by tracking secondary KPIs like CTR, viewability, and brand lift. Improve engagement by using compelling, varied creatives and applying frequency caps to avoid ad fatigue. Refine targeting with behavioral or interest-based data to ensure impressions reach the right audience. To combat viewability issues, choose high-quality inventory and verified publishers, and use tools that track whether ads are actually seen. Measuring ROI can be improved through post-view tracking, retargeting strategies, and brand studies that link exposure to outcomes. Finally, reduce the impact of ad blockers and banner blindness by using native ads, video formats, or in-app placements that integrate more naturally with user experiences. In conclusion, CPM campaigns are essential for building brand visibility and awareness, especially in mobile apps, content, entertainment, and lead generation. They support long-term growth by keeping your brand top of mind, even without immediate user action. To make them effective, address challenges like low engagement and ad fatigue through better targeting, creative rotation, and frequency caps. Measure success using viewability, CTR, and brand lift, and continuously optimize based on performance data. With the right strategy, CPM becomes a powerful tool for sustaining audience attention and filling the top of your marketing funnel. Thank you.